like like Gangster West Coast. Um, this the full app, and that's what it does. Does that, but then here's the free one from Apple, and this one will play. Sucks because it's a trial app, but you know. But it takes so long. Yeah, this one does play. It'll play just fine. So if anybody can help me out with this dilemma right here, this problem running 4.2 on the iPhone 3G,